Hi, I'm Marnie Madden, and welcome to Energy Balance for Life, a transformative program crafted to harmonize your body, mind, and spirit. In this unique 8-part series podcast, you'll experience a holistic approach to well being as I integrate the ancient wisdom of crystals, the power of positive words, precise energy alignment techniques, including food sources, period. This program is not just about health, it's also about cultivating a lifestyle that radiates vitality, balance, and resilience, harnessing the vibrational energy of crystals and words. I will help guide you on a journey to unlock your body's intimate potential for healing. Positive words become your allies, shaping the way you think and feel as you navigate the path towards a more uplifting and optimistic mindset. Energy alignment practice seamlessly woven into the fabric of this program.